G here from OG Creations. June is Pride Month, and OGC is celebrating all month long. OG Creations is a safe space where you can express yourself how you see yourself. I am always excited to create a custom order that embodies exactly how you want the world to see you. If there is ever a time that you feel like you are in need to talk to someone, this life coach is just a DM away. Now I know, the USA is fucked right now, and it seems to the rest of the world that we celebrate stupidity over intelligence, conspiracies over fact, and wealth over those in need. At OGC, I know that kindness and understanding is key, and here, you have all of my love and admiration for presenting yourself exactly how you were born to be. This week, I am going to surprise all of you with another ice dye. This shirt is gorgeous, fire, so much so that I need to roll the shirt up. It will be covered in ice, and then I'm placing all those rainbowy shades strategically so each one will be represented. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. Let's start with a white 100% cotton shirt that's been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes, and then using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. I lay it flat on my work surface, match up all the seams, and smooth out all of those wrinkles. Placing a finger at the top shoulder seam and the bottom seam on the same side of the shirt, I fold the material at a diagonal, bringing the side of the shirt across the neck and shoulder portions. I smooth out all the wrinkles that the folding has caused. The center point of the new diagonal, I begin to tightly roll the material. I keep rolling this section as tight as I can. The rest of the shirt will roll loosely. Once completely rolled up, the shirt kind of automatically bends in that half. I will use rubber bands as my die guides. Since I want each color to be equally represented, I secure that first rubber band around the bend at 1.5 inches. And the following at 3 inches. I create a decline by lifting one end of my die rack. I align the rack with foil so it has a more smooth surface for all the runoff, and I also create side barriers with a foil to hold all the ice in place. With a Sharpie, I also mark on both sides of my foil where those rubber band guidelines are, so once it's covered in ice, I know where to place my die powders. I add a thick layer of ice on top of the shirt. I want my gradation to show all of those beautiful rainbow colors and not create brown, because no one likes to be painted brown. I also do this so the shirt is not completely overwhelmed by the power that is known as New Emerald Green. I'm going to start with yellow, followed by orange, then red, purple, blue, and end with green at the very bottom. In choosing my exact dyes, I wanted to make sure that I selected a rich red that would flow into a reddish hued purple that would then flow into a purpley hued blue. So I'm going to apply clear yellow, orange crush, Chinese red, deep purple, Houdini blue, new emerald green, a thick layer of soda ash is added. Once the ice is melted, it is set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase that temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I've added it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Like I said in the beginning, this shirt turned out so fucking hot, I'm in love with it. I love all those rainbowy shades, but most importantly, I love all of these soft pinks and turquoises that are also coming through the shirt. It's like your inner pride is just radiating out of you through the material of this shirt and just showing it off to the world. I am absolutely in love. And before you go, I'm testing a theory. YouTube is more than a bit sensitive when it comes to the creation of my tie-dyed briefs, thongs, and jocks with long format videos. So I'm sticking all of those over in the OGC Shorts channel. There you can find short videos from Hogwarts to Washington, D.C., Gay Pride to Eurovision Song Contest. Make sure to check them all out. And unfortunately I have to say this, I hope all of you are taking some extra precautions to make sure you remain safe this Pride. Have an amazing month, and I'll see you next time.